Yesterday we learned 1.3 practice sets, question number 1 and question number 2. I hope that all the question number 1 and 2 you understand very well. Then today we can start the practice set 1.3 question number 3rd. So whatever be the question number 3rd, we can see just. So see, this is the question number 3rd. This is the question number 3rd. So in this question number 3rd, the recording. Today we can start to learn the question number 3rd. So what will be the question number 3rd? See, U is the universal set here. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And P set having 1, 3, 7, 10. Then question number first is given here. Show that set of universal sets P and P complementary by Venn diagram. So this is the first questions given to you. So we want to solve these first questions. So that is taken here. Okay. So this is the question number 1. This is universal set 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what we want to write? We want to write the P set. That P set is already given to you. So that is written. This is the P set. The P set having elements 1, 3, 7, 10. Okay. So what I want to write? I want to write the complementary set. So I already explained you the last lecture what is the complementary sets. So what will be the elements of P that is present in universal sets? They are cancelled. And whatever be the elements remains in the universal set, that is the complementary sets of P. See, in simple language, what is the element of P? That element is present in universal set, that cancel. So we check it. The P having 1, universal sets having 1, so that one is cancelled. That can be shown by the different color here, that is the blue. Then here is the P in universal set, they are also having 3, so that is cancelled. In P set there is the 7, in universal set there is also 7, so 7 is cancelled. In P set there is the 10, in universal set there is the 10, so they are cancelled. So you observe that 1, 3, 7 and 10, they are shown by the blue colors. The reason is that they are the elements of P, so they are cancelled. So what is remains? That remaining elements can be shown by you by the red color, and that red color is the complementary sets of P dash. So we can see right the complementary sets of the P dash here. So see the P dash complementary set 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. Okay, so this is the complementary sets of P sets. So what can we want to do it? So we want to do the Venn diagram. So I already explained the Venn diagrams. The universal sets can be denoted by rectangle, and that is give name U outside the rectangle, and whatever be the element given, that is written in the vowel, circle, triangle, whatever it may be, and the complementary set is written in the rectangle. So see how we can draw the Venn diagram. So see, it is the Venn diagram. This is the U means universal set that having these elements. Then this is the P sets. That P set is written here 1, 3, 7, 10. Are you understand this? So this is the P set, and that can be shown in the vowels. Afterwards, whatever be the elements of P set, that is cancelled from this universal set, and remaining element is written here 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. So this is the complementary sets of P dash, and such a way we can explain the Venn diagram of the first questions. Then we can go towards problem number 2nd. So what will be the problem number 2nd? See, this is the universal set that having 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 numbers. Then another question is there, that is the P sets. that P sets having one set. The P sets having the element 1, 3, 7 and 10. So I give equation number 1 for this P set and write here the equation number 1. Then what I want to write? Then I want to write the complementary sets. So this is the complementary sets of P. So why it is the complementary sets of P? So see 1, 3, 7 and 10. They are the elements of P. So that element is cancelled here and that can be shown by the this color. So you have observed that. So whatever be the elements remain, that can be shown by the red color. So that red color element is the complementary elements of P dash. So that is written P complementary is equal to 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. So we can see the another. What they are said P complementary is complementary. So they are said P complementary is complementary. So P complementary is complementary means what? So see, this is the complementary elements. This is the P complementary. They are having two universal set having 2. They are having 8 universal set having 8. They are having 9 universal sets having 9. They are having 11 universal sets having 11. They are having 12 universal sets having 12. So these elements are complementary of P. So I want to write the complementary of P dash. So if I want to write the complementary of P dash, then I write the numbers which is absent in P complementary. So which elements are absent in P complementary? See the color 1, 3, 7 and 10. They are absent in P complementary. So that element is the P complementary element. So which is that element? 1, 3, 7, 10. So I give P complementary equation number 2. Okay. So we are just compare equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So see equation 1 and equation 2 we are comparing. So see the equation 1, what is having there in P? 1, 3, 7, 10. This is the equation 1 elements. Then equation 2 P complementary is complementary. What is having element? 1, 3, 7, 10. So the elements are same. So they are P complementary is equal to P. Okay. Then we can see the question number 4 here on a screen. See the question number 4 what they are said. A is the set of 1, 3, 2, 7. Then write any 3 subsets. So this question is so simple for all exercise. Why it is so simple? Because they are said write the subset. So write the subsets. So you can write one number separate. You can write one number separate. This is the another set. 3 numbers separate. This is the another set. 2 numbers separate. This is the another set. 7 numbers separate. This is the another set. So if you write each and every number separated, then there is possibility of the 4 subsets. So you can write so many subsets such a way. You can write 1 3 as a one set, 3 2 as another set, 2 7 as another set, 1 7 as another 7, 2 1 is the another set. Such a way, however you want, you can write such a way. So that is called as the subsets. So see, how can you write the subsets? So here is, this is the A. That A set having 1 3 2 7. So that subset I want to write. So that subset I can write 1 also, then it is also subset, 3 it is also subset, 2 it is also subset, but that can be write separately. 7 it is also subset, that can be write separately. Then if you write each and every element separate, then there is the possibility of 4 subsets. So see how can you write the subsets. So here is the B. The B set contain 1. Just I explain you that one element you can take on. This is also subset. So B is the subsets of A because that contain 1. Then we can see the another set C. C is the subsets of A because 1 and 7 is there. So C is the subsets of A. Then we can see the third because they are said only write the third. If they are not giving limitation, we can write so many of the subsets there. So third set is 3 2 7. It is subset because they are having in 3 2 7 is having here. So D is the subsets of A. Such a way we can write so many different types of subsets here. Are you understand how can write subset? It is very simple. Whatever be the set given, that set elements different by separately. means 1 is written, after that 3 is written in another set, after that 2 is written in another set. After you see here, means whatever be the set given, that set elements write separately and give name, then that is becomes subsets. I think you understand how can we write subsets. Then we can see the here B is the subsets of A because B having A and that is also because B having 1 and that is having in A. Then C is the subset because C having 1 and 7 that is having in A. Then D is the subset because D having 3, 2, 7 that is having in A. So this is B is the subset, C is the subsets and D is the subset. Then we can see the next problem. This is the question number 5. What will be the written? Just see. Write the subset relation. Write the subset relation between the sets. So what you want to write? A relation of subset. So see, P is the set of all residents in Pune. M is the set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. I is the set of all residents in Indore. B is the subset B is the set all residents in India. H is the sets all residents in Maharashtra. So this is given to us and we want to write a relation between that. So who is the subsets of who? So how can we write? Just see. So it is. We want to write the subset relation. So see here. Here is written P is the subsets of B. So why P is the subsets of B? Because P is the Pune and that Pune is having in India. So P is the subsets of B. Why it is the subsets of B? Because P means Pune and Pune is having in India. So it is the subsets of B. So P is the subsets of B. Then we can see the another problems. Which is the subset possible? So see, P is the subsets of H. So P means what? You know, P means Pune. Yes, the residents of Pune. So Pune is having in Maharashtra. So Pune is the subsets of Maharashtra. So Pune is the subsets of Maharashtra. So we can write here Pune is subsets of H. Then what will be the another possibility? Then another possibility is M is the subsets of B. What is M? M is the Madhya Pradesh. What is B? B is the India. So what is we say? The Madhya Pradesh is having in India. So Madhya Pradesh is having in India, so that M is the subsets of B. Because the Madhya Pradesh is having in India, so M is the subsets of B. What will be the another possibility then? C. I is the subsets of B. What is I? I means what? I means Indore. So see, the residents of Indore are residents of India. Means what? The Indore is having in India. So I is the subsets of B. Because I is the subsets of Indore, B is the subsets of India. So Indore is having in India. So I is the subsets of B. Is that clear? Why it is the subset? Because Indore having in India. So it is a subset. So what will be the another possibility? See, I is the subsets of M. So you know what is the I? I is the Indore. What is the M? M is the Madhya Pradesh. So where is Indore? Indore is Madhya Pradesh. Indore is having in Madhya Pradesh. So Indore are having in Madhya Pradesh. So Indore and Madhya Pradesh. Indore is the subsets of Madhya Pradesh. So here is written I is the subsets of M because Indore is having in Madhya Pradesh. So I is the subsets of M. So what will be the another possibility? We can see just ahead. So see what is written here. Here is written H is the subsets of B. So there is written H is the subsets of B. So what is the H? H is the Maharashtra. H is the Maharashtra. And what is the B? B is the India. So Maharashtra is having in India. This Maharashtra having in India. So Maharashtra is the subsets of India. So we write here H is the subsets of B. Then we can see the another. What is the question asked? They are asked the second question to us. Which set can be the universal set for above sets? So when I taught to you universal set, I am already explained you whose all sets are, they are said who is the universal set. So when I taught you universal set, I already explained the whose all sets are subset, that is the universal set. So you are seeing here whose all sets are subset. So B, all the sets here written, that is the subsets of B. So what is B? B is the India. So India is the universal set. Why India is the universal set? Because in India having Pune, because in India having Madhya Pradesh, because in India having Indore, because in India having Maharashtra. So B means India is the subsets of all these sets. Are you understand? Because India belong having Pune, having Madhya Pradesh, having Indore and having Maharashtra. So India is the subsets. So India is the universal sets of all these subsets. Okay. Then we can see the question number 6. What is the question number 6 given here? They are said which set of number they are said, set of number. Set of number means what? Which is the set of number? Natural number, then whole number, then integer numbers. Okay. So which is the set of number could be universal set for the set given below. So what is given? A set is given multiple of 5. Okay, so we can see that A set is multiple of 5. Multiple means what? Multiple means multiply. Multiply means what? 5 is multiplying first number 0. Why have I taken 0? Because whole number is started from 0. So I have taken 0 here. So see, here is the set of multiple of 5. First is 5 is multiplied by 0. So you all know very well, if the number is multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So here is 5 into 0 is equal to 0. You are getting there 0. Then another number multiplication, after 0 is 1. So 5 into 1, what you get? 5 into 1 you get 5. After 1, which is the number another? After 1, there is the second number of multiple. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 to the 10. Another multiple, that is the 3. So 5 into 3, what you get? 15. You have taken only 3 numbers because multiple chain is non-stop. Where they stop, I don't know, and we have no times that you are continue up to all multiples. So we can stop up to 3 here. So this is only the positive multiples. Okay. So 5 is multiplied by the positive multiple. 0 is not a positive, not a negative. 0 having the no signs. But 1, 2, 3, this is the positive numbers and it is the positive multiples. So you are getting the answer positive numbers. Okay. So 5, 10, 15, they are natural numbers. And if you are right from 0, 5, 10, then they are also whole numbers. If you are taken 5, 10, 15, they are the positive integers. Then another possibility for the multiplication is that negative integrations. So negative multiples. Negative multiples means 5 multiply by 5. So here is in multiplication, sign is not same. 5 is positive, 1 is negative. So in multiplication, sign are not same. So answer is negative. So you are getting minus 5. Why you are multiplying minus 1? Because there is a possibility of multiplication both positive as well as negative. So here you are multiplying another number 5 into minus 2. So here is a negative integer is minus 2. So 5 into 10 you get minus 10 because in multiplication sign are not same. So you are getting answer minus 10. If sign are same you are getting plus 10. Then is another 5 into minus 3. Here also sign is not same. One is positive, another is negative. Sign is not same. So answer is negative minus 50. So here is also this chain can be continued but we have no time. So we can stop here. So what you get? You getting here all is the negative numbers. So 5, 10, 15 are the negative numbers. This is the opposite numbers of 5 opposite minus 5, 10 opposite minus 10, 15 opposite minus 15. So the natural numbers and whole numbers, opposite numbers, we are getting here negative numbers. So positive numbers and negative numbers are together is called as the integer numbers. So that set is written into the integers form. See, this is 0, 5, 10, 15. Here is minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So if you read from 0 to 15 and all numbers, then it is the whole number. If you read from 5 to 10, then it is the 0, 5, 10, 15, such a way from 0, then it is whole number. If you have started from 5, 10, 15, then it is natural number. Because you know that 0, 1, 2, 3, it is the whole number. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is dash, it is a natural number. So it is the whole number and natural numbers. But this is all positive things. But here is the negative things. So that opposite sign is their negative sign. So positive numbers and negative numbers together is called as integer numbers. So this is the A is the integer number. So what do you say? We can say is the A is the subsets of natural number, A is the subsets of whole number, A is the subsets of integer numbers. That can be seen afterwards. Then see, this is the another, which is their B set. B set of multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 means what? Multiple means multiply. So it is also multiply by 0 first. So 7 into 0, you are getting answer 0. Because if you multiply any number by 0, answer is 0. So 7 into 0, you get 0. Then we can see the anothers. By multiply by 1. 7 is multiplied by 1. So 7 ones are 7. Then after 1, which number is there? 2. So 7 is multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. After 2, which is the multiple? 3. So 7 3s are 21. Here also I can stop up to 3. Because that multiplication chain is non-stop. But we have no time. So we can stop up to 3 here. Then they are multiplying all are the positive numbers. Then we can take on as a negative integers also. So see, 7 is positive, 1 is negative. Sign are not same. So in multiplication, if sign are not same, answer must be negative. So minus 7. 7 into minus 1, you get minus 7. After minus 1, which is the another multiple? After minus 1, the multiple is minus 2. So 7 into minus 2. What do you get? Minus 14. Why it is minus 14? Because 2 is negative. Sign are not same. So answer is negative. Minus 14. What will be the another multiple? Minus 3. So 7 into minus 3. You are getting minus 21. Here also you are getting positive number as well as negative numbers. So that is written here. That explanation is same. If you have started from 0 and all numbers, then it is whole number. If you started from 7 and all numbers, then it is the natural numbers. And if this is the positive numbers, all whole natural numbers and whole numbers is there, that positive numbers opposite is negative numbers. So positive integers and negative integers together, positive numbers and negative numbers together is called as integer numbers. So another set is given there, which is that, just see. So here is the C set. C set is multiple of 12. Multiple means what? Multiply. Multiply by 0 first. So we are check 12 into 0. You are getting 0. You are know very well 0 is multiplying any number. Answer is 0. Then 12 multiply by 1. So 12 ones are 12. So you are getting here 12. After 1 multiple is 2. 12 2s are 24. So here is you are getting 24. After 2 there is multiple of 3. So 12 3s are 36. So here is all positive numbers is multiple areas. After positive number there is a possibility of also negative numbers. So we can show here negative numbers. So 12 is positive, 1 is negative, sign is not same. So multiplication answer is negative. So it is a minus 12. Afterwards we can see after minus 1 another multiple is minus 2. So 12 is positive, 2 is negative, sign is not same. So answer is negative minus 24. The third multiple is minus 3. So 12 into minus 3, you are getting minus 36. So see, minus 12, minus 24, minus 36, they are the negative numbers, they are the positive numbers. So together it's called positive and negative numbers. You get the integers and that integer set is written here. 0, 12, 24, 36. This is from 0, it is whole number. From 12, it is the natural number. If this opposite of this is the negative numbers. So positive numbers and negative numbers together is called as the integer numbers. So we can see another. What you said, A is the subsets of natural number. I already explained because they are started from 1 and there is the number 5, then 7, then 12. This is the natural numbers. Then it is the whole number that is started from 0, so it is whole number. Then here you are having positive number as well as negative numbers. They are called integer numbers. So A is the subsets of I. And this give equation number 1. Then we are getting equation 2. Here also same condition. Subsets of n, because there is number is started, natural number is started. B set is subsets of whole because they started from 0. B set is subsets of integer because they are having positive number as well as negative number. So here is equation number 2. Then another set is there, that is the C sets. So what about the C set? C set having the same condition. It is belong to natural numbers because they are having 5, they is having 7, they are started from 5, they are started from 7, they are started from 12. So that is the natural number. C sets is the subsets of whole number because they are started from 0. C sets is the subset of integer numbers because they are having positive number as well as negative number together is called as integer numbers. So from equation 1, 2, 3, we can say that these three sets, A sets, B sets, C sets, they are subsets of natural number, they are subsets of whole numbers, they are subsets of integer numbers. So if you are observe here, natural number is subsets of whole number is subsets of integer numbers. Then if you are observe these, then you are said that I is the universal set. See, I is the universal set because that I means the integer numbers having positive as well as negative numbers. All numbers are having there. So I is the universal set. It is the question number 2 here. P is the set of integer numbers. Integer means you are very well know that positive number as well as negative numbers, and they are also including 0 is also. So set of integer which are multiple of 4 means here is you want to write multiple of 4s. Then what is they? So the multiple of 4, so it is multiplied by 4 0. So 4 into 0 you are getting 0 because each any number multiple 0 you get 0. After 0 there is multiple of 1. 4 1 is 4. So here you get 1. After 1 multiple there is second. 4 2 is 8. So you are getting 8. After 2 there is multiple of 3. So 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. So you are getting 12 here. Okay. So such a way this is the multiples of positive numbers. Then here is the multiples of negative numbers. 4 into minus 1, sign is not same, minus 4. After minus 1 there is a minus 2. 4 to the minus 2. 4 to the minus 2. So answer is negative 8 because sign is not same. Then minus 2 after another multiple is minus 3. So in sign are not same. So answer is negative. 4 3 the minus 12. So such a way they are multiples, but that multiples having, if you are started from 4 8 12 dash dash dash, then this is the natural numbers. If you are started from 0 4 8 12, then it is the whole numbers. So this is the natural as well as whole numbers, but opposite of this is the integer negative numbers. So this positive and negative together is called as the integer numbers. So this is the set of the integer numbers. So T is the set of all even numbers, square. Even number is started from 0. So we can write that sets here. See, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. I am taken 2. Why not taken 1? Because 1 is the odd number. So 2 is the even number. So 2 square is 4. Why not taken 3? Because it is odd. I am taken 4. 4 square is 16. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. And go on. So this is all the even numbers. So there are possibility of positive as well as negative also there. So T is the subsets of P. Because whatever be the elements here, 4, 16, 36, they are having in these P sets. So this is subset. T is the subsets of P. The P is the integer numbers. So the integer number is the subsets of also the both sets. So I is the universal set of P set and T set. Is that clear? Why is the universal set? Because they are having positive number as well as negative number. So it is the universal set I. Then we can see the last questions in this lectures. So see, this is the let, what they are said, let all the students of class from universal set. Means what? They are said that all the student can be considered as universal set. Let set A be the student who secure 50% or more marks. So set A is what? The students who get more than 50% marks in maths. Then what they are said? Then they are said, write the complement sets of A. So you want to write the complement sets of A. So first we write the universal sets. So how can you set? So this universal set U means they are already given in problem. They are said students of class. So here is I write all the students of class. This is a universal set. Then what is A set given? A set is given students get more than 50% marks in maths. So A is the student who are there, they are getting more than 50% mark. So highlight is what? More than 50% mark. So the student which is remains in the class is the opposite of this. So opposite of this is the complementary set of A. So what is opposite of more than? So opposite of more than is less than. So here is you can write here only less than 15. Then you can get complementary of A. So see here it is the A complementary. The student get less than 50% marks in maths. Okay. So it is the complementary sets of A. I think that the practice set 1.3 having the 7 problem and that 7 problems we can completed by 2 lectures, and I hope that all of the 7 questions you are understand very well. But if your mind having some doubt, you whatever be your doubts, you can contact or you can give me by in WhatsApp message. Okay, so just we can see the homework, whatever be the homework you want to do here. So that homework is show here on a screen, so you can write the homework and send me to my WhatsApp number. You have a nice day and bye.